Hi Quinn, this is Michaela. Thanks so much for taking my call the other day. As promised, here's just a quick 5-minute video showcasing to you and your family some different ways of getting new leads just from your website alone, as well as going over how to stabilize your overall web presence. From having some background in digital marketing, I can tell you that Google looks at 3 major things when ranking its websites along the Google platform. The first and probably most important is going to be content. Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. And I can see that you don't have a ton on your homepage alone, and I'm going to tell you why having content is so important. If you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as the top search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and it finds those websites with a lot of content and naturally moves them up that Google platform. So you can rank alone and probably highest by having good, rich content with keywords on your website. If I go here, I show that you guys are getting 55 people organically to your website, which isn't a bad thing, and your numbers actually don't look terrible. When ranking for keywords, these keywords need to be within the text on your web page. So as I look here, you guys are actually positioned pretty well. You guys are ranking on top searches on a lot of them, but you're not showing a lot of stability along Google. So adding good quality content to that homepage, it's always recommended about 1,000 words to 1,500 words on your homepage alone. And then on every subsequent page of your services to do an additional 750 words. In the text needs to be a lot of keywords you want to rank for. So again, I don't show that you guys are doing terrible in this aspect, but obviously there are places for improvement. Now to talk about the big kicker here are these 2 factors. This obviously refers to citations, which I did notice you guys are already on the top 3 on a basic Google search for your area, which is awesome. But this DR is lagging. Why is this important? So Google likes both of these numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. So getting more quality backlinks is really going to boost you guys up, kind of locking in a position and making it not as easy for people to go above you or to push you down the rankings, if that makes sense. So the closer both of these numbers get to a 1-to-1 ratio and closer to 30, so this one's doing really well, the better off you guys are going to be in Google's eyes. That's going to drive up your rankings as well as drive people and searches to your website, resulting in more traffic and ultimately more clients and revenue for your business. So those are my recommendations to get a lot more content on your homepage alone, as well as make sure all your additional services page has at least 750 words. And get some good quality backlinks. The referring domains is the big kicker. If you look here, this says do follow. We want a ton of do follow links. Otherwise, your links are just kind of dead. They don't actually point back to your website. So out of the 106 domains that are providing you with backlinks, only 23 of them are providing an actual good link back to your website, which is why this number is so low. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. That's all I have for you today. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Just let me know what you thought about this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much.